And hello and what is up, friends? Today we're going to be doing an update on the AC Infinity Grow. Now, last time you guys were here, you seen me build the tent and you even seen me order some of the Jungle Boy genetics. Now, about 5 to I think 8 days later, it actually landed and we got some Jungle Boy genetics ready for our next round. This one, it is the Moto Breath crossed with 06 OG. So I'm really interested in seeing how this turns out. But just wanted to give you an update that the seeds that come with the kit, it was absolutely free. You guys see it. It actually got to my house, no issues whatsoever. And yeah, there's some really good fire genetics, I'm sure. Now these girls have probably been here for maybe a little under 7 days, give or take, underneath the 280 watt light by AC Infinity. I am using pretty much everything in this grow is going to be AC Infinity. There's 6-inch oscillating fan and there's 6-inch inline fan that I have up there. Also, this grow, I am using CO2 as well with everything. And for the genetics that we're more than likely going to be flowering in this tent, we have 4 Bianchetti buttercreams right here on the back. And I'll show you guys close up of these plants because they kind of top themselves. I haven't topped any of them because I wanted to take cuts of pretty much just the top. And yeah, the Bianchetti buttercream, 2 of them kind of top themselves, and I'll show you guys close up of that. So we have 4 Bianchetti buttercreams, we have 1 Phantom Feline over there, and we have 3 Jacks right here. This is from our last run, and I'm not sure what it is. So I'm gonna have to take cuts of it and flower it right away. As soon as they come out of the cloner, I'm gonna go ahead and flower it just to make sure I know what the genetics are of these plants. If it's the Trico Jordan or the Chimera, it's either one or the other. But yeah, as for these seedlings, they are all from seed, which is something I don't really do very often. But I mean, it's not too bad. I thought it was going to be a lot slower, but by the 2nd week, I'm already able to take cuts off of this, and then in another 2 more weeks, I'm going to be flipping probably to flower. But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you an update on what the tent and everything looks like. Now, so far, everything is running super smoothly in this tent. I just come here once a day to water these plants. And yeah, guys, take a look at this. I have not topped these plants, but this is kind of what happened to the Bianchetti buttercream. It kind of just did that on its own. So now I'm able to take 3 cuts off of that plant. And this side, it did it as well. And I think it's split into 2. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, it's split into 2, and the stems look super thick and aggressive. So I'm probably gonna be able to take a couple of cuts off of this Bianchetti buttercream, and yeah, pretty much 1 of each of this ones. I think this one did it too. Yeah, this one did it too, and it's a Jax. See down there, it kind of, I didn't do that, but the plant split in 2 and just came up like that. I haven't seen that before, but then again, I don't grow from seed very often. Actually, I do have to water because I see these plants are kind of really dry over here. This one definitely needs to be watered. But yeah, guys, this is the genetics that I'm going to be running for the next season. What should I grow next? What should I do with these seeds? Because they're regular seeds, and I'm pretty sure more than likely I'll be able to find a male. And what do you guys think I should do? Should I look for a male so that I can make some regular seeds? That way I won't have any issues with herms and stuff like that. Or should I just look for a female and try to look for the best producing or the best flower out of the Motor Breath from Jungle Boys? But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments below. I can't wait to see all these strains in flower. But yeah, guys, I'm not going to take any more of your time because I want you to watch the rest of my videos. So until next time, this is Grass in Class signing out. Peace.